Drive out 30 miles with us on the icy roads to find propane tanks and a winter suit for my daughter. We just made it to Outwoods, trying to see if it's open. Okay, so Outwoods is open. We're gonna get off and see if we can find my little girl one of these snow things so she can be out in the snow/ice. Let's go. Get off. And hopefully not fall. Me and Arnold were debating holding hands because if one of us falls, the other one's gonna fall too. People working at Outwoods. I don't think anybody's gonna come in with this snow. Us. We're here. There's nobody else here but us and the employees probably. Couldn't find any. So they are open today. We can at least get Lolly one of those if they don't have the small ones. ¿Tendrán propane aquí?
Yeah, you could.
Ay, mira los zapatitos.
Those little crocs.
Yeah. Far, this is the only thing we found. That's so cute right there. Oh, look, ese está bien. Let's see if they have a like 7 or something.
Cafe.
See if they have something her size. This looks probably about her size. The rest are bigger. $25 for a toddler though, so let's keep looking. 8. Maybe we need to get her a size 8. Too big though. Well, we can keep that one in mind. Let's keep searching. We gotta go see the baby chicks and all the little animals that they got. I can already hear them. Oh, look, those are so cute. Oh, look at them. Little chickies. Oh, look at them. Oh, they're so cute. What is that for, Arnold? What is that for? Oh. Since it's freezing or what?
Yeah.
So we didn't find what we were looking for, but we got one of these for the windshield. And now we're going to go ahead and check out. They have carritos. What are you going to get?
Strawberry.
Oh.
2?
I'll probably get the marino. You know what I like? Thank you. You can just hold it for me then.
Yeah.
So we're headed out. It was $8. And look at the parking lot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 cars. And again, we're not holding hands. No! Because I'm going to laugh because you did that on purpose. I'll try to help you up though. And it's starting to snow again. I don't know if y'all can see it. Look. He's out there getting ready to do this stuff. Sonic is open. So we may go out there and grab a slushie for these cold winter days, right? Is winter? Cold winter days.
Mobile pickup, no?
Yeah. So I'm gonna order through the mobile app. So we got our drink. And we got our food. Yeah, free. I should have got some ketchup when she asked, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
I don't want to make her go back inside though. Oh, they got us some sauce. Oh, they got us ranch. Ew. Why would they give us ranch? Food just tastes better when it's free. And look, they made it with a lot of love because it's a heart. You don't see that. It's a heart. El Parian is opened, and oh yeah, they were open in Hope too. I forgot. Yeah, we can come back here. So far, what we found open is a gas station, Taco Bell, a gas station, Taco Bell, Outwoods, and El Parian, the restaurant, and Sonic too. Wendy's looks like it's closed, but they be looking like, oh, they are closed. Places be looking like they're closed, but they be having a car parked in the back that's the only employee working there. Oh, I like this song.
Oh, see?
I swear. Right now we're on the hunt for... Well, really, we're just trying to look and see if there's just one place open in Texarkana. Honestly, yes. At home, but...
Oh, she's so fit.
Oh, shoot! That's what... And bro, we got too excited. I think we got too excited. We're fat. We gotta watch out for them cars over there slipping and sliding, getting excited over that place being open. They gotta learn how to put themselves together. Whole time it was us. And we're gonna get off already. Opening my door. Thank you. We're here, guys. They have all kinds of food here. Oh my gosh. ¿Qué quieres que vas a ordenar tú? Okay. I don't know yet. They've got a lot of options. Oh yeah.
El burrito será.
I don't know. Low-key, I want to get the pupusas again. They were good, but let's see. Papas preparadas con carne, what? They ran out of bread everywhere else, but guys, I need to come get some here. Just got my Bionico. I love these. So I got this. We got our food. You got tacos?
Yeah.
And I got pupusas. And they put it in this because of the cold. They didn't want it to get all cold because they have their trailer outside. We were wondering why we got so full so fast, and then we realized we had just ate that chicken. Came through here even when the roads were clear, like. So where are we gonna go to?
Tractor Supply.
Okay, we're gonna go to Tractor Supply to see if they're open still. Oh shoot! I should have went to the middle right there. Volta's closed so far. Burlington. Michael's too. That's so pretty. Texas Roadhouse is open too. They've been there for hours, guys. Hours, literally.
Damn, then hay mucha traffic.
I told y'all Taco Bell was open. They closed now.
Yeah, no.
Because we came too late. Fuimos a comer y todo. We need to come here. This is at the same location as the other one was, right? Walmart's still open. With the little red thing. How did I not know? Let me know if y'all need anything, okay? I'll go take it to y'all. Y'all got a little Uber fee of how much? $50 or 100?
100.
100? Okay. If it's baby milk, we'll if it's baby formula, yeah, we'll do it for free. Baby formula, diapers, or wipes. It's free. Got them earlier.
Too late.
I know, right? Oh shoot. Oh, you don't care. That car's just like, I'm shook. Are you gonna do that too? And they driving fast in these streets. And they were not lying about those little mean posts. The customers showing up with all that dang snow on them. Yeah, because it looks like they have cars. Riding with the windows down in the freezing cold, and we live in the South. Who does that? This is where I gave birth. your services when they could have just called us for free. Even though they don't know that we do that, but you know. All of a sudden, everybody following the law. But just back there, everybody was tipping and swerving, like, okay, because we just passed 2 police officers. Yeah, that's why. They probably don't have any there, please. Do we have diesel at all?
Sí, tenemos 3 course.
Oh. Y'all done finished all the gas. Dang. Dang, they got all them things here. So here we're just driving by the dealership. My audio cut out, so I'm just going to do a voiceover for the rest of the video. At this point, we hadn't found any propane tanks, and I was really regretting not getting the propane tank filled when my dad told me to. We had already given up on searching for my daughter's suit, too. I was really surprised at how many little cars I had seen driving all night because there was so many. I feel like this is the only time I had seen trucks driving. We finally got to Albertsons and we're going to go ahead and check and see if they're opened. We're checking to see if they're open and if they have any propane tanks available. Turns out they had already closed an hour before then and they just had cars in the parking lot. A lot of places had self-serve propane things installed, but they didn't have theirs there. I thought we could probably search for propane tanks at places that people really would normally not buy any at. Because, of course, when you think about propane tanks here in Arkansas in the South where nobody lives, you think about Walmart, you think about the regular places that are very popular to go to, but you don't think about the little convenience stores and stuff like that. So that's what we were actually checking too. We're checking small gas stations, we were taking convenience stores and everything, and a lot of places were closed again because of the snow, and we're not used to the snow. Never in my life have I ever seen a gas station being built like that, like the little tank things on the bottom. That was so cool to me. Now we're at another small gas station and we're gonna check and see if they have any propane available. Both my husband and the guy from the convenience store are walking out, so I'm hopeful. And I was just seeing them lift up the propane tanks and shaking them up, and I was kind of getting nervous because I was like, oh my gosh, are we going to find anything today? Because we were already on our way home. So here I was just going to mention about how my dad had told me to fill up this big, huge propane tank that I had at home. I guess because he remembers when the 2000s freeze was. I wish he would have mentioned it to me sooner because I would have made it my priority to go get it filled up. But I didn't. I was being kind of selfish and I did other things before going to do that. So now I'm just like, dang, I should have listened to my dad. But we ended up finding a propane tank that was at least halfway filled up, and we got that one, and we got diesel as well. And we went ahead and headed home after this. We went ahead and went through the back roads in order to avoid the semis and the interstate because there had already been a 3 semi wreck on the interstate. So we're finally back in town with half a propane tank and had snacks and we had tacos, pupusas, and everything. Now we're just driving around town to see what the roads are looking like. The roads in town are not looking too bad. They are cleaning them up and dropping salt, so they're definitely doing better than I expected. We're gonna drive by neighbors to see if they're still open because they're usually open all night, but I guess they're closing early with this snow. So we went ahead and picked up our little girl and we are finally home safe and sound.